Okay, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a Google Sites website. So the first thing I would do is go to Google Sites and sign in. Make sure you sign in using your school account just because it is a lot easier. You see all of these samples I've made on here, but you can just go to blank. And you're going to need a title page so you can put in The Great Gatsby. Make sure you italicize it because it is a title of a book. Now, for every page that you want to add, remember you have to have one page for each chapter. You need to go over here to Pages and then go to the plus sign at the bottom, and you're going to add a page for each chapter, and they should pop up here in the toolbar. So this is where you would have your summary, your reflection, your list of characters, and the image. Some people want to get fancy and put the image in the header. You can do that, but it should be an image that reflects the things in the chapter. So you'll do this 9 times. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 5, Chapter 6, Chapter 7, Chapter 8, and Chapter 9. So hopefully this makes sense. Whenever you get done, you have to hit publish, and make sure anyone at Richland 2 can view your site. You would want to name your thing. So I would put your first initial, caps lock is on, first initial, no, caps lock is on now. There we go. First initial, oh, it's only letting you do that. There you go. So I would do S. Peterson, Gatsby. You would do your first initial last name, Gatsby. Please don't do mine because that doesn't make sense. And then you can hit publish, and it should save. So whenever you want to actually send me the link, you'll have to hit this down key and hit view published site, and then your site should pop up. So hopefully that explains everything. If you need help, you can always email me.